Today we will be testing the Kred Allino Multisignal V3 indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Kred Allino Multisignal V3 indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 60 different strategies, with 15 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 774 indicators, with 313 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So we'll go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 19 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Kred Allino Multisignal V3 indicator. You can see it here on screen. To go in and make a few changes to this, basically just turning off some of the components to this, and we end up with this right here. So these tags right here are the buy and sell signals, the buy and sell tags. And so if we go into the settings, you can see that they are listed as the buy signal and the sell signal. I went in and turned off a lot of this indicator. You can play around with it however you see fit. Visually, you can turn off whatever you want to turn off, leave on whatever you want to leave on. There's quite a bit to it. Gives areas of support and resistance, also showing some lower highs, higher lows, and so on. It's a decent little amount of other components to this indicator that you could possibly use. But like I said, what we are looking for first and foremost is just the buy and sell signals that it produces. And so like I said, the tags here, the labels are the buy and sell signals. So the green ones are going to be a buy signal. So when we get a green tag like this, it's going to be a long signal. When we get a red tag like this, this is going to be a sell signal. Now, the creator of the indicator did say that it works very well on the 15-minute time frame. Obviously, we're testing this on the daily time frame like we normally do. And they did say that it was developed for the Bank Nifty market, and so not quite exactly what it was meant to be used for, but that's the purpose of testing all these indicators, is just to see if we can find indicators that weren't necessarily meant for what we're using them for, to see if they can provide valid or decent signals. All right, so like I said, when we get a red tag, we're going to go short. When we get a green tag, we are going to go long. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so we pick up the first signal right here is a long signal. We get that green tag right there. We get a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of correction there before we get a nice push to the upside, which does come up and get us to our take profit. So go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is a short signal similar to this one right here. We get a little bit of correction there before we get a nice push in the direction we're looking for, the downside there. That does come down and barely get us to our take profit right here. Not sure where it's going to go from here, but it did reach our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Right, the next signal that we pick up is a long signal right here, and immediately we get a really nice push to the upside, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so then we pick up a short signal right here. Unfortunately, this one does get us stopped out. We made a nice push to the downside there, got really close to our take profit, but wasn't quite able to hit it before it then had this pretty decent pullback right here into this area of support and resistance, and then it deflected off that area, pushing down, and would have got us to our take profit there, but we barely got stopped out right there before we could make that push down. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 1 year of testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free for everybody to join. You're welcome to jump in and join in any of the discussions in the channels here. But we do also have a Patreon only channel here set up for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. And so, for example, our admin Jay is putting up charts of the futures market, doing a great job of trading the futures market. You can see a chart like this right here where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. He's even giving a kind of write up on exactly what it is that he's looking for and where his mind is while taking these trades. A lot of great information there if you are interested in following along with that. We also have Sasquatch here. He is another one of our members. Is a Forex prop trader, does an amazing job of trading the Forex market. Pretty much every day that the Forex market is open, he's posting charts like this. Again, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. Really great information here. Sometimes even posting where exactly it is that he's looking to take a trade with the entry, the stop, the take profit, the whole deal. Even if you aren't necessarily looking to trade price action or support and resistance levels, knowing how to mark up a chart and understand where these areas of interest are, these areas of support and resistance, can be extremely valuable just to understand how they are going to interact with whatever trading style or system that you plan on using. Highly recommend that you join us here and take advantage of the information that they are putting out for everyone to see. All right, back to our indicator here. So let's go ahead and zoom back here. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, a pretty solid indicator, even without using any of the extra components that are part of the indicator. Even the winning or the the losing trades that we took actually did go in the direction that the indicator said they were going in. We just had our stop a little bit too tight and not enough breathing room, and so we got stopped out before price did go in that direction. But you can see in this instance, we got that nice move to the downside there as it gave us a short, and right here gave us a long, and we got a really nice move to the upside there as well. And you're going to also see over here that we pick up a short signal. This was at the end of the year, and it looks like we're making a really nice move to the downside there. And so again, all in all, this indicator is really solid. I think it did a really great job getting us in at a decent time, letting us ride out a lot of the moves that were taking place. And again, if we'd given it a little bit more breathing room, then we would have definitely hit every single one of these trades. 7 trades within 1 year's time, not great. Wish it gave us more, but it did again get us in and allow us to take advantage of pretty much the entire move. And so yeah, once again, solid indicator. This one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.